In this video, I'll show you how to do video selfie verification in Facebook. This video is really for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch everything I'm going to show you in this video. Now, if Facebook wants you to do a video verification for yourself to verify your account on Facebook, I'm going to tell you what you need to do. The very first thing, you need to use an iPhone because an iPhone is very clear for this. Okay, so you are doing a selfie verification. So you need to open up your camera right now. So you'd see the video, go to the video. You'd see the HD, select the HD. Put it to 4K. You see 60. It should be in 60, not 24. It should be 4K 60. So what next you need to do? It should be in these two because everything needs to be clear. So what you need to do next, you need to switch this swap toggle here for it to turn to your face. You get? So I'm not going to switch mine because this is an educational video. But once you have followed this step, you need to do a short clear video, and it shouldn't be less than 15 seconds. You get? It shouldn't be less than 15 seconds. So you can still talk. You can say this is my verification video to prove that I am a human. You get? So follow this. You're going to get your account verified. If you find this video helpful, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe.